Jessica, dear, how do young people buy their plane tickets these days?
It's super easy, Grandma. You can do everything online.
Everything online?
Oh yeah, it's really simple.
Do you have to know what airline I want and all that jazz?
Nope. I mean, yeah, you can go directly to a specific airline's website if you want, but I like to use sites like Orbitz or Expedia. They look at all the different airlines and collect all the prices and flights for everything to make it simple for you to choose what you want.
It lets you compare? Well, that seems pretty handy.
Exactly. You go to one of the sites and you type in your details, like your starting city and destination. Then you put in the date you're leaving and when you're coming back. Then you click a button and you get a whole list of all the airlines, all the flights, all the flight departure times, and all the prices based on your search criteria.
Are the prices the same no matter what time you leave?
No, there's going to be different prices for different times. And the prices change too, so if you see a deal you like, it's good to buy it quickly instead of waiting, because the price will probably go up.
I see.
And the more in advance you buy your tickets, the cheaper they'll be, and the better seating options you'll have too.
I can get to pick my own seats as well?
Yeah. Once you pick the time and flight you want, you'll get a map of what seats are left on the flight, and you can pick your seats. Then you fill out all your personal details like your name and address and credit card. Once you've filled everything out and everything looks good, you just click the purchase button and there you go. You have your ticket.
Where do I collect my ticket?
Everything is sent to your email, or if you want, sent to your smartphone.
Oh, I had no idea how easy it was.
Oh yeah, it's a breeze.
Speaking of email, Jessica, darling, how do you use an email?
Huh?
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like and share our videos. Okay, see you next time. Bye!